of my lecturate is Planning Commission of India. After its independence in 1947, India received the next 4 years were the years in which India was shaped both politically and geographically. This period included the partition of India, the integration of princely states, as well as the Hindu refugees from East Pakistan, as well as it was the time when the Constitution of India was implemented. After the formation of the first democratically elected government of India under Pandit Nehru, the Planning Commission was set up on 15th March 1950. This organization, which has the Prime Minister as its ex officio or chairperson, and various ministers in important posts like the Minister of Finance, Minister of Education, Minister of Agriculture, etc., was introduced to develop a plan for the future with the visualization of the future of India. While the first 3 5-year plans focused on increasing the stability of the newly born India, like they were focused on agriculture, then job, creating employment, privatization, and industrialization. Later, the 5-year plans were introduced to stabilize the growth of India. These plans focused on education, unemployment, and other factors like creating public sector industries, etc. And in the recent period, the Planning Commission had, after India had gained up a stable foothold, the Planning Commission was focused on increasing our advantages. Like these were focused on liberalization, privatization, and globalization. At the same time, India also changed its foreign policy is to integrate, to allow for foreign companies to establish foothold in India. All these plans formed by the Indian Planning Commission and were made for the development of India. Later, when India had already developed to its current scale and was a globally recognized country, we discontinued the Planning Commission and it was replaced with the Niti Aayog in 2015.